Welcome to the special coverage of Feast of St. Francis Xavier, a day of faith, devotion, and celebration in Goa. Thousands of devotees have come to honor Goitsa Sahib. Stay with us as we capture the unity and devotion of this grand feast.
खरें म्हणल्यार आयज आमचे हांगासर मिसाक आमचो कोयर आहलोलो 9:45 मिसाक ताका लागून हांव आयलोलो. आतां फाल्यां सावन 9 स्टार्ट जाता. पूण हांगासर पावून कळलें वेवस्था ही पाट एकदमूच बरी जालेली आसा. जावं बाबतीन लूट येना, खंयसर कोण आडकोण रावना. तशेंच आमचे पार्किंगाची ताणें एकदम बेस बरें मांडावळ केलेली आसा. आनी म्हाका दिसता ह्या वर्सा हें एक्सपोजिशन वेवस्थीत जातलें अशें म्हणून.
Brother Prakash. I'm studying philosophy in Chennai. So the experience that I had today was a blessing, I consider, because this is a place where our faith is born. And after coming here, I feel blessed and I feel very happy for entering to the church. And when I looked at the body of St. Francis Xavier, I was extremely happy. And I take this an opportunity to thank organizers and everyone those who have helped us to experience the blessedness of the body. Thank you.
What do you have to say about the arrangement made by Goa?
Arrangement is excellent actually, because very smooth. Everything is smooth actually, and all the facilities are there. Water facilities is there, and the shadow facilities is there, and they have put the sheds and all. So I feel so happy about that. Thank you, ma'am.
Free D'Souza. I'm from Bangalore.
How is your experience over here?
Yeah, the last 10 years back we came, and the facilities were a lot of improved. It's good to see.
What do you have to say about the arrangement and all?
Nature is good, so we don't want to miss this.
Robert, and we are all from Bangalore.
Okay, so how is your experience?
It's very good. We are very happy to come here.
What do you have to say about the parking, transportation, other facilities?
The facilities are very good, and transportation we have planned 2 months back only, so no issue with the transportation and all. Only thing is the parking is the issue. We have to walk very distance, no?
So, have you gone for a mass?
Yeah, yesterday we had been to Tamil Mass. So we are Tamilians, so we are attended Tamil Mass yesterday. Yeah.
इसके पहले सर कभी आपने अटेंड किया था?
तो इसके पहले भी अटेंड किया था. एक लास्ट ईयर भी had come.
अभी का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है?
उस टाइम से रश कितना क्राउड नहीं था, एंड द फ्रांसिस जेवियर बॉडी वाज इन द टॉप. नो वी आर सीन वेरी नियरली ना, सो वो अच्छा था. हमको बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, एंड वी आर ब्लेस्ड.
अभी जो फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल किया उसके बारे में क्या बोल?
वेरी गुड, नीट एंड क्लीन, वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन. बहुत अच्छा था. ओके, एंड वेरी गुड अरेंज्ड, वेरी वेल अरेंज्ड एंड फॉर द डिवोटीज.
आपके ग्रुप से आए हैं?
हमारा ग्रुप इतना है, 7 members we came from Bangalore. एंड
और सर गोवा के बारे में क्या बोलना?
गोवा के बारे में क्या बोलना है? गोवा अच्छा है, आदमी लोग अच्छा है, एंड द चर्चेस आर वेरी गुड, एंड पार्टीज. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tilal, I come from London, and this place is beautiful. I enjoy, and there is a blessing of the God, and everybody comes and see. This is the best place to bless by God.
What do you have to say about the Goa government facilities that are provided for?
Oh, everything is good, wonderful people. There is no any violence, nothing. Everything is going good and peaceful.
From Italy, Anna. My name is Anna.
What do you have to say about the exposition?
Okay, we didn't know that this was going on, and it's a really beautiful place. And it's, you know, in Italy we do a lot of expositions of relics from saints. So it was interesting that this was happening now here. I was also wondering if this was a place where Indians came not only for religious reasons, because there seem to be a lot of people around, and it's very, very interesting. And we just visited the ruins of St. Augustine. It's a very beautiful place. Yes. So we just have to see all the rest. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Space, but this year it is well done. Well done. I have people from Chile, and they also liked it. The toilet facilities are good. They're clean. Even the way they are conducting this is fantastic. I would like to thank our Chief Minister and, of course, our Prime Minister.
Can they speak Spanish?
Yeah, ustedes pueden falar español.
Sí, por supuesto. Hemos visitado la iglesia y ha sido muy lindo, muy bonito. Es muy antigua. Ya andamos con un guía que habla en Spanish. ¿Cómo es? Portuñol, el guía. El país en sí es muy lindo, el de ustedes, el de la India.
I mostly bring the groups from Chile, and this time there's a small group, and we came to different parts of India and to go also to be here. And this time it is the feast time, and all the facilities and all are very well. And since I've come many times, I can see a lot of changes and for betterment of yes.
My name is Aparna, and we are coming from Kerala actually. Then we came as a part of Motovers, which is happening in Vagator Hill. So we know this place, we heard about this, and we came here to visit. And it's actually good to know that there is some fest happening here. We don't know what it is, but it feels good. The power you feel when you get inside the church is very different. Even I am from a different religion, but I can feel the divinity when I get inside. So it's a very special moment. So good. And Goa is very good, adventurous, fun. Then what? A lively feel. That's it. Yeah, I'm in first time. I'm for the first time. That's it. Thank you.
My name is Vinod Rawat, and I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Yeah, it's very good. You know, I've been coming here. I have come to Vagador for my biking event, like Rider Mania. So, well, it's so neat, so clean. I don't know to differentiate between some of the things which we are having in Mumbai, India. As you see, Ganpati season. So there's lots of crowd, no discipline, no system. And here they have a very good system. You know, even they have taken care of the people. आम पब्लिक जो है ना उनका भी बराबर ध्यान दिया गया है. अंदर सब जगह फैन है. Everything is so smooth, so simple. They are so loving, so caring, and that is what called Christianity. They serve the Christianity. Christianity is for giving. It's not only taking. No one here, कोई भी हड़ हुड़ नहीं कर रहा है. भागो भागो जल्दी जल्दी कुछ नहीं कर रहा है और सब लोग पीसफुली एक दूसरे को कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. सो नाइस, फैंटास्टिक. थैंक यू. हाँ, बहुत बार. मैं पिछले 15 साल से गोवा आ रहा हूँ. हर साल इसी महीने में आता हूँ, नवंबर महीने में हमारा इवेंट होता है. और ये साल अभी यहाँ पर जो मैंने देखा है बहुत बदलाव है. इट्स सो नीट, क्लीन, एंड द रोड्स आर वेरी गुड. और बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. आई लव इट.
इधर का जो फैसिलिटी है मतलब पार्किंग वगैरह बाद में जो सेफ्टी
बहुत अच्छा है। देखो आप अगर देख सकते हैं, मेरा पैर नहीं है, आई एम हैंडीकैप, बट आपने जब देखा मैं चल के आ रहा था तो आई डोंट नो एवरीथिंग ईजी, बिकॉज मेरे को बोला गया था कि आपके लिए इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी डायरेक्ट उधर तक लेके जाएंगे। मैं बोला नहीं, मेरे को थोड़ा सा लेट मी स्वेट ऑल्सो, क्योंकि यही प्रेम है ना, यही प्यार है सेंट लोके के प्रति। गॉड ब्लेस यू। यस एवरीथिंग, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट बाइबल में बोलता है। बाइबल में लिखा है लव योर एनिमीज, बट यहाँ एनिमी कोई नहीं, यहाँ पे सब लोग हैं। तो दे आर रियली फॉलोइंग द बिब्लिकल वर्ड्स एंड बिहेविंग लाइक दैट। Thank you. God bless you.
I am John Mendonça. These people are Dias. They are Monteros and Carvalhos. 4 families. Facilities, all facilities are nice. Security is good. Well managed. And I hope you all are the committee, one of members of the committee for this. किती म्हणतात आता?
Committee members.
Yeah.
Management. So kudos to them. Good work.
First time going.
No.
we
This
have
is my
been
6th
coming
time,
every 10 years.
6th exposition. But like that, we every feast we come here, but this is the 6th exposition I am attending myself. These are my sisters. They are. Pahile it was not so strict. Now well managed. Everything is a little bit more strict. I think we have to follow all the rules and all that. Facilities are nice. There's drinking water inside. Means, they are not allowing water bottles now. No, now इतर उदक मिळता बरे.
Special parking for the disabled and all. The specially abled people. So that was one of the good things that I got to see this time. So that I like because
last time they had started disabled people.
we had wheelchairs and all last year as well. Here this time I saw the electric vehicles as well. So that was something different and a good thing this time.
Lydia from London.
So how is your experience? Have you been here for the first time or you have come before?
I've come to Goa before, but then we came specially for this exposition today.
So what do you have to say about the accessibility, the facility that is provided by the
So far, it's been excellent. It's been straightforward, no stress, and yes, it's been very good. We've enjoyed that, yes. No.
Hello, I'm Marion from London as well. It's my first time. I still don't believe that I have been here and had this opportunity. I'm so grateful, and it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, and I'll treasure this forever.
I'm Carlotta. I'm from Mitcham, London as well, St. Pius and Paul Church. And I'm so grateful to our ex-priest who brought us here. I really, really enjoyed this moment. It's just so surreal to see, there's a body line there still. It's so real. Really, I'm happy about that. Thank you.
आयच्या दिसा हिंगा इतलो लोक पळोवन सारकी खुशालकाय जाली आनी गव्हर्मेंटान व्हेरी नायस ऑर्गनायज केलां आनी सगळ्या लोकांक भरपूर फॅसिलिटी आसाय. तेच भाशेन जायतो लोक भायलो येयला तांकां एसिस्ट करपाक पुलीस भरपूर हेल्प कोताय आनी बरें दिसलें जिवा देखून मीस बी आयकून. आनी हेच भाशेन हें एक्सपोजिशन फुडें वचून सगळ्या लोकांक आदार आनी बरे भाशेन हें प्रोसेशन बी पार्ट करपाक तांकां आदार मेळोंक आमी हें कोत्ताय. थँक्यू.
The exposition, we had the veneration of the relics first, then we attended 8:30 Mass. Everything is very good. Transportation facility. We came from Margam, we parked the car at Ella. From Ella, that farm, bus brought us here. Then we are going back now. The same thing for disabled. A lot of facilities available. Even the pendle and all, everything is good. The facility there also going smooth. Everything is good.
we saw the crowd was less, so we were very happy. We got very fast veneration and all, and we have come out now, and we are living today.
Planning is very, very well done. Very well done planning. There is water arranged, there is sitting arrangement, there are guides, there are fans everywhere, so it's not at all tiring. It's a very good experience, and we were very, very happy. That's nice, and we were blessed to come and venerate the relics of Saint Francis Xavier, our saint. Okay, thank you.
I'm from England.
Your name?
Sarah.
What do you have to say about the exposition?
It was really very, very moving. Very moving. Very calm, very peaceful. Very moving.
This is your first time?
This is my first time in India. Yeah.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the
It's very moving. I'm a Protestant, not a Catholic, but I'm a church elder, I'm a believer, I'm a Christian. And it was very lovely to see how people, believers, express their faith in Goa.
What do you have to say about the Goa?
It's my first time in Goa, and I hadn't realised how many Christians there are here, and it's lovely to see.
So may the blessings of Saint Francis Xavier be with everyone who are watchers. And I extend the heartfelt. I am Father Anthony Silvin, OCD, Carmelite priest only. I am doing my mission in Odisha, and I had a vacation experience in Ernakulam, Kerala, and this family along with me, and they have journeyed to here for the 21st exposition of our Saint Francis Xavier's tomb body. And it is a heavenly experience actually, we can say that here. Now it is not that much traffic or not that much beard and all is there, but people are there and they are enjoying these angelic experiences of Saint Francis Xavier. And I know this family, they themselves are saying that it is spiritual atmosphere, and they have been led through this angelic experience, and they have, without any trouble, without any standing long time in the queue and all, they could enter into the basilica, they could touch the tomb of Saint Francis Xavier, and they themselves say that it is a heavenly experience that they have experienced in this life, and it is only one time we can enjoy in this life. From my childhood onwards, it is the dream that has been fulfilled in my life, and the first time I came here, and this family have helped me a lot to journey along with them to experience this. And the fathers, sisters, volunteers, all are helping for this heavenly experience of Saint Xavier's body exposition. And though it is getting, means that body as such, it is getting decayed, but it is still, it is alive and active. It brings forth the spiritual wisdom, spiritual presence of Jesus himself through his relic. And may I wish everyone, all the faithful, come and experience this, touch this relic and experience this heavenly, angelic experiences, and they cherish into their life and become another Saint Francis Xavier for their life of family or community or society, wherever they are living. Let it continue his teachings, his way of simplicity and humbleness.
Yeah, my name is Bensi from Kerala. I'm very thankful to God for giving me such a grateful opportunity for come here. And it was a nice experience. It's very good, and I like it very much. Thank you.
We are from Kerala. We have just reached this morning. We just wanted to be with just to pray at the side of Saint Francis Xavier. We have come here earlier also, but it was not very close as it is because it was not exposed. So since it was exposed just now, we could go very close, and as if we are close to a person, we could speak to him and have a contact with him. So it was really a touching experience for each one of us. So we just visited and prayed and came away. Thank you for all the arrangements made. It was well arranged, everything was well arranged. And also the masses, we could not follow anything, but even then we could participate in the mass also. Thank you very much. We have convents here. Carmel Convent, Carmel College is ours, and also Holy Rosary Convent, Nuvaim. And there are many other. Madgova, we have a Fatima Convent, and other convents here. So we are staying in Holy Rosary Convent.
रिया डिसोजा हांव उडपी तावन आयल्या हांव पयल्या फावटी हांगा आयलें आमकां वेगळीच आमकां अवकाश मेळ्ळो पळोवंक मस्त खोशी जाली आनी की येवया म्हूण बघता फॅसिलिटी बरी आसा सगळी बरें आसा हांगा वॉलंटियर्स आमकां खंयचें जाय तें पुरो आमकां बरें करून आमकां हें करतात खंय वचा जाय खंय येयचें म्हणलें आमकां इतले फॅसिलिटी खंय मेळोना येदोळ आमकां मस्त खोशी जाता ना मिस अटेंड करूं ना आमी अशें भोंवले आमकां मस्त बरें लागलें हॅप्पी सगळें हॅप्पी आसा फॅमिली आसा हांगा सकाळी
Yes, I'm Gerard Faria from Parra. I'm coming here for a long time. Every exposition I come. And since it is a very good opportunity for us because I was working also on the ship. So it's a nice opportunity for me back home in Goa and for the exposition. I hope it is not a last exposition. But हांगासली सुविधा जावं लायनींग रावन बावन सगळें सारकें वेवस्थीत जावलें आहा आनी कांय प्रॉब्लेमूय ना उमांग घेवपाक सगळी सुविधा उदकाची जावं लायनींग वचपाचें सगळें गव्हर्मेंटान एकदम बरें केलेलें आहा सॉरी ऑफकोर्स आतां वयता सर हांगासर ना हांगासर वचोंक ना आतां वयता Thank you.
That's all from our special coverage of Feast of St. Francis Xavier. Today, we have witnessed the incredible devotion and faith bringing people together to St. Francis Xavier. Thank you for joining us. Till then, stay blessed and keep the spirit of St. Francis Xavier alive.